In this video, an instructor will print the learner's competency assessment. Begin by opening up the Class 1 Training Competency Building course. In the course, look down and you'll see the section on the competency assessments, and then click on the link View Learner Competency Assessments. In the form that appears, pick the driving school, and below that the learner. The assessments for that learner will then appear. Normally, there should be at least one marked pass. You would go to the pass document and under the description column, give it a click, which will open a PDF and show the assessment. Once you choose the document from the list, the PDF will open and display the competency assessment for that learner. Notice at the top as well, it will report that pass or fail, depending on the document you chose from the list. And at the top right corner, there are the buttons that you can click on to print or save it, which this allows you to save it and email it to the learner as well. Refer to your instructor guide on how to use the competency assessment to inform training for the learner during competency building.